Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Mini. This exciting strategy game brings your favorite Clash characters to a unique board. You'll deploy your chosen mini figures onto a 5x8 grid, strategically positioning them before each battle. The objective is simple: outsmart your opponent and secure victory in 3 rounds to claim the match. It's all about smart placement and anticipating your rival's moves. Understanding the core mechanics is key to success. You'll use Elixir, a crucial resource, to deploy your mini figures onto the board and upgrade them during the match. Once placed, your minis will automatically engage in combat, utilizing their distinct abilities. Upgrading them mid-battle is vital, as it unlocks powerful new skills and stat boosts, turning the tide of the fight in your favor. Strategic placement is paramount in Clash Mini. Carefully position your minis to counter your opponent's lineup and protect your key units. Explore the vast array of minis to uncover powerful synergies that enhance their collective strength. Don't forget your hero. Their unique abilities can provide crucial support, buffs, or damage, turning a losing battle into a decisive victory with clever timing. To consistently achieve victory, always be ready to adapt. Observe your opponent's strategy and adjust your mini placements and upgrades accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment with various mini and hero combinations to find what works best for your playstyle. Mastering the individual strengths and weaknesses of each mini will give you a significant edge in every single match you play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.